Hey everybody, and welcome back. If you've been following my videos, you would have seen that I've been benchmarking graphics cards, and a lot of these graphics cards come second hand. So this is one of the ones that I bought. This one was the one that cost me £12. We got it on the bench, we give it a test, it worked really well. But I'm having a problem with storing them, so most of these become second hand and they don't come with the original boxes or anything. And I thought, wouldn't it be good to actually have them out on display? So I did a bit of searching, finding that you can find brackets for them and you can buy them, but why buy them when you can build them? So what I've done is I've designed my own bracket using a 3D printer. I designed it in Tinkercad online, so it's very simple. This is a quick prototype that actually worked out quite well. It's made of PLA and I printed it on my Anycubic Mega S. So the idea is that the card will sit down. The graphics card will actually slot in using its PCI Express card, and then the actual distance of the card will mount on the top here so that it actually stays square and it stays straight, and it is quite balanced as well, so it's quite sturdy. I think that's a design that will actually work going forward, but we'll test it with some other graphics cards. So I just thought I'd share this with you. Let me know what you think, and if you want to see any other projects like this, remember to subscribe to the channel.